What's up, J gang?
Friends who do stuff together. Do is for you and me. And is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
It's your girl Jennifer. We back again with another video. Hey, we back again with another video. Back again with another video. Hey, we back again with another video. Today's video, I will be doing what's on my phone.
What's a phone?
/ Android, because I have an Android phone, I have an LG, but it's still lit, right? And the reason why I'm doing this video, because a lot of people like watching what's on my phone. I'm not a fan of what's on my phone. I don't really find it interesting, but I like still watch it because I like supporting my YouTubers and stuff. But like it just gets a lot of views. So that's why I'm doing it. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and let's get on with the video. Okay, so when you open my phone, all you see is T-Mobile. You see the Wi-Fi, you see the battery, and it says it's 4:04 Sunday. And the screen recorder I'm using is AZ screen recorder. I requested. And my lock screen is my mother. She's probably gonna get mad at me for doing this. I don't think she wants her face on YouTube. But who cares?
Well, I don't think she cares. Does she?
So this is me with my old hair. This is from like a long time ago. Then we're going to get in. And I only have like 2 slides. So first we have the T-Mobile stuff. I don't really know what this is. I've never touched this in my life. Mobile hotspot if I want to make my own hotspot. Then tools, my file manager, my voice recorder, downloads. I use this stuff. I use the voice recorder if I want to like record people, you know, trying to expose them.
Stop. Just stop. And I also don't know why my phone looks blurry. Like, it looked way better before. I don't know what happened. I think it's just this, like, editing app. But, like, I think I'm just gonna, like, zoom it in so y'all can see properly. So, yeah.
The downloads. I have Amazon. I don't have an account, but I wish I did. Whew. I will go broke. I have management. Don't really know what that is. I have voicemail, so I can hear what people are saying if I didn't pick up. I have my contacts. Oh, I really don't. Yeah, this is all my friends.
Okay. I have more friends. I'll just explain it.
Okay, that was like 16. I have more friends, but they're just like on Snapchat because I got a phone on my birthday, so I don't really have everybody's phone number. I have email, calendar, it's Sunday. They have T-Mobile TV. I had to figure out what this is like 2 days ago, and it doesn't have a lot of shows. I wish it did. It just has Blackish, all these shows. I'm just gonna go down. Tell me if you recognize the show or if you watch it. Oh, that's just, yeah. I mostly watch Andy Mack. Cause like I'm bored and I just, you know, music. Legit, this is all I have. This is not even music, it's just audios because I have Spotify. I have YouTube. Yeah, I was just watching this. She popped up on my recommend.
Lies! I tell you, lies!
Yeah, she popped up on my recommend, and I was watching the end of their story. It was really sad. Did not cry. I'd cried. I have Clock. Then we got my social, my media, my social, my media. And I have Instagram. My Instagram is, hey, it's jen.anuha. Let's watch this short clip of fist fight. They really tried to.
Reaction time with Jennifer. Yikes.
I already watched this movie, just saying. It was pretty funny. A little inappropriate. Yeah, let's just stop. I have Twitter. Let's look at the tweets. Jeffree Star. I have my post notification. Wait, was that Nicki DeMar? She gonna be a lip sync? Ooh, I'm gonna watch. Let me just retweet that.
You see, that clip wasn't even supposed to be on there. I don't even know what this is at this point. Is this a what's on my phone, or I have no idea.
Okay, I have Snapchat because I do. Let's just take a picture.
My phone froze. This wasn't even supposed to be on here, but you know, needed the views. This is like the first time ever it actually froze ever since I got a phone on Snapchat. Coincidence? I think not. And by the way, the reason why I said coincidence because the time it chose to froze is when I was filming. Great. Okay, can we just get on to the video?
I'm just gonna save that. I look so ugly.
No surprise there.
Follow me on Snapchat. I just posted this little snap like 4 hours ago. These are the people. I should really answer her, but like, nah. I love you though. Best friend.
If you can't tell, her Snapchat name is favorite 7th grader because she's a 7th grader. She's my best friend. Though, like, but I really hope she's not watching this video. T. Okay.
We have Spotify because I listen to music. I need more Spotify playlists. I was just listening to Fifi and 6ix9ine, the new song. Y'all, please tell me, like, if you have a playlist, let me follow it because I need new jams. I have 8-Ball Pool. I haven't played this for a very, very long time. So I should really delete it. I need more games on my phone. I have Showbox. And if you guys don't know what Showbox is, or like Movie Box is for iOS. Showbox is for Androids. It's basically like Netflix. It has all like the popular old shows. This is where I watch The 100 and Pretty Little Liars. Then it has movies. This is where I watched a lot of my movies too. I have AZ Screen Recorder, and I have KindMaster, and I have this app called Happy Mod where I downloaded KindMaster. If you don't know how to download KindMaster without the watermark, get started. On the next slide, we have the Play Store. Haven't been here for a long time. We have Chrome. Look at my beautiful Chrome. Oh god, look at that, guys. That's amazing. We have Map. Hangout. I don't really use all this stuff. We have Messages on the bottom. I have Messages. Not really trying to expose my text messages, so I'm probably just going to blur that out.
I just covered it up. It's not even a blur.
But hey, we have camera trying to take a picture.
I have no idea why it looks like that. I think it's because I turned the resolution to like sideways, so like I don't know why my screen recorder did that, but there's only like 30 seconds left, so deal with it. So yeah.
So that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And tomorrow is Monday, and I'm filming a lot of videos on Monday, so get ready. If y'all didn't know, my back to school series start August 1st. Cause like I ain't posting no school video in July. Maybe like July, late July, but like nah. Cause I start school August 20th. I know some of y'all, I need to do this. I know some of y'all start like August 5th, and I'm so sorry. Last year, my school started August 28th. I don't know why they pushed it back. But, and I was thinking about doing, let people on Monkey rate me. I don't know if I should still do it. But, yeah. But I maybe do like makeup versus me looking like a clown. Like me putting on like bad makeup to see like guys' reaction. Or just doing the base look, the guys rate me. I'm probably going to figure that out tomorrow. But sorry if this video is a little too long. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Peace.
I totally forgot to say to stay breezy. So make sure to stay breezy. Peace.
By the way, I've been getting really good at this natural hairstyles. So if you guys want me to do some styles, just tell me down below. Oh God. Yeah.